How to recover your Yahoo email. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Once you're in here, you have to move into the site login.yahoo.com/forgot. It will be landing you on this official page of Yahoo. Now, if you remember, you have to enter your email address or phone number of your Yahoo account. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. You have to solve some of the puzzles. Once done, tap on Verify. Tap on Continue. Click on Send Code. You will receive one verification code on your mobile number or email address that you have set. Enter the 6-digit code and then tap on Next. After that, you will be able to change the password of your Yahoo account. Simply change the password and then recover your email. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.